Introducing Japan Map Kit, a handy new After Effects template from space stock footage. All 47 prefectures of Japan isolated on a separate 3D layer, so you can scale, position, color, and add effects as required. Zoom in to areas of interest and hide layers you don't need to focus on certain regions. Animate individual prefectures and add your own text and camera moves as required. Use your own content as a texture for the country map, images, footage, whatever you need. Highlight prefectures with different colors to represent whatever you need the map to represent. Or get creative and add your own animations and images into the texture layers. Includes map markers for pinpointing cities, location, and other areas of interest. Add as many as you need. All of the scenes in this preview video are just usage examples to give you an idea of what's possible with a Japan Map Kit from space stock footage. The only limit is your imagination and your creativity. So make sure you purchase Japan Map Kit today, an invaluable addition to your library of motion graphic assets. Thanks for watching.